If you haven't heard Touchdown yet, banging. I'm talking about Stylo G with Nicki Minaj featuring Vybz Kartel. They do reviews, but they don't do reviews like me. Welcome to Soulflow TV again, everybody. It's your host with the most. Over here, so we call the thing pen and paper. And today we're going to do a pen and paper on Touchdown. Just touchdown in at the airport. First of all, let me say this though. If you tune into Soulflow TV and you're an elder and a righteous individual and someone that's not into curse words, you're not into swearing or derogatory language, exit stage left now. Anything after this, you cannot blame me. If you are here, it's because you wanted to hear it. So don't leave your comment in the comment section about why you do them kind of something that's Soulflow. Young Money in the building. Oh, she said, Nicki Minaj starts off, Young Money, I'm in the UK. And then Stylo G comes in, just touched down in at the airport. Truck suit, I'm the Air Force. All of my gal, them love me. All the one was say me ugly. Now, wait there. This song was already big before they even did a remix. And you gotta understand that somebody like a Vybz Kartel and a Nicki Minaj would not jump on a remix if the remix wasn't something big already or had potential to be big already. She go spot me designer. She want give me the vagina. She want give me the vagina. Everything are from London, Bond Street. Nothing ever come from China. I mean, pop off my tags them. Why me feel like me I sing the man song? The song is so melodic I can't help but singing it even though I'm doing a review, right? I mean, pop off my tags them. My new Benz it a mad them. Every day me I swag them. Louis, they on my bag them. You know the luggage is Louis V and these things. See me too. The man said, see me not too swim, me not like beach. Understandable. And me too black, me not like bleach. I like the part there. Right? Because you know we don't endorse the bleaching thing, but we not burn out nobody, you know, to each his own. Alright? Phone no stop ring when a night reach. Even your girl want try peace. I see him some do it. See him some do it. And this song is so simple, so melodic, yet so powerful because the Nicki Minaj takes verse 2 and she bodied it. Now y'all know I had a problem with Nicki Minaj recently because of the whole thing that went down with her brother, you know, and then she went and did a song with Fifi with the rainbow color hair dude 6ix9ine that's now incarcerated. And I thought, why would a woman, I mean, your family is your family. I go support your family. Yes, if my brother go run off him little stepdaughter, I'm going to support him in a way that, okay, I'm rich, so I'm going to give money to his financial team. Nobody saw no wouldn't do it, because you would. But I'm going to distance myself from the situation. But then to go find somebody else that's accused of the same thing and go make song with. Anyway, on this verse right here, strictly musical, Nicki bodied it. Right? Hey, yo. Just touched down in the G5. You know I'm buzzing like a beehive. We're still bumping to that C5. C5, I'm guessing it means Carter 5. Lil Wayne's album, she plugged it right there. Remember, she started this whole song out by saying, Young Money, we in the UK. Right? Just touched down in at the G5. And Nicki is on her Jamaican again. Nicki is Trini, right? But she's on her Jamaican again. And people don't know it. They think Nicki is like half Trini, grew up. She did the majority of her growing up in the US, yes. But both parents are Trini. She are 100% Trini. But of course, she keep a lot of Jamaicans around her as well. So the Jamaican thing there. Plus, she did that with Safari for a long time. 10 years, God have mercy. Alright. Just touched down in at the G5. You know I'm buzzing like a beehive. We're still bumping to that C5. Fendi print on my knee highs. Body goody, so me mad them. You know Jamaican girl them say goody, what goody. Yeah. Body goody, so me mad them. Face pretty me a problem. And again, that's how Jamaican people talk. Yo, the girl is a problem. Yeah? Face pretty me a problem. Everything from Paris, Milan, straight off the runway when I grab them. Platinum plaques in my office. Turn down $1 million offers. I don't fuck with the middleman, low ranks. I only meet with the bosses. What I love about this too is this. I don't have to do much explaining. It's self-explanatory. That's why I love review song where it is not much jibber-jabber and talking going on. Or what them say? Me have to call brains and say, yeah, listen to this again. And rewind and what them say? And a lot of artists could actually take some lessons from this. You see, when people can actually understand what you're saying, your songs actually go further. Anyway, I don't fuck with the middleman, low ranks. I'ma only meet with the bosses. So me not too swim, me not like beach. Girl them want me game, me not like teach. She said girl them want her game, she not like teach. She ain't giving away her game, right? Ride the dick good when my man reach. You know Nikki, this is in fine style Nikki, right? This is in fine style Caribbean girls. Ride the dick good when my man reach. Now your boyfriend want try peace. I see him some do it. I see him some do it. And then the GOAT comes in. Yes, I said it. The GOAT comes in. Vybz Kartel comes in. People, I never expected Vybz Kartel to be on anything fresh out and happening unless it's a I'm not gonna say that. Cause I'm gonna say Soul Flow TV said Vybz Kartel is recording from prison. I don't think he's recording from prison. I actually think this verse is old and they kind of mixed it in. Alright, Kartel. Just touched down like NASA. Damn. Space. Nicky Pum Pum Fata. While you're there at your job, your girl giving me a blowjob. Oh God. You know, this thing kind of have me away still, but I don't say nothing. Let's start over. Just touched down like NASA. Nicky Pum Pum Fata. While you're there at your job, your girl giving me a blowjob. Ha 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 ha. Now you know Vybz Kartel, he's unapologetic. And one thing I like about him also is this, he's not compromising when it comes to his art. Enough people are saying, boy, I need to clean up him language or I need to change him image and all this. Kartel knows perfect timing to change image. He's the master of changing image. It is what has helped him to keep where he's at in the game for that long. How we are going now? 20 years? I go upon 20 years? I don't know, I know. I don't think it's been 20 years. Maybe it has. Yeah, man. Yes. 20 years or more in the game. And he's been number one for... A lot of people don't get offended. He's been, I don't care. He's been number one for the past decade and counting. So do your maths to that. Me have to rewind in verse. Just touched down like NASA. Nicky Pum Pum Fata. You might talk about Nicki Minaj fat something. Y'all seen it? While you're there at your job, your girl giving me a blowjob. Ha 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 ha. More balls than Liverpool. Well, bad dog, we no fool. This a Beretaya. Nyam enough nigga food. He's talking about and him said that one year where him have in him hand, the strap hot. Yeah? Enough people food it nyam. In other words then, enough get YY out of it. You do the maths. Alright. Jah know that rhythm me a sick, you see? Fuck Vicky make Nicky see. So I'm talk about a threesome, you say right, I'm fuck Vicky while Nicky a watch. Either that or I'm say fuck Wicked make Nicky see. So me don't know which one you choose. Go listen to the song. The link is in the description. Listen to the song. Me have to represent Brixton. Pon the blood clot, Brick Jam, big song. She a boom off my woodland at the front seat. Me come, she complete, head, up feet. Him never say me come and she come, you know. Him say, me, don't worry ladies, him have a song where him say, you have to come first and all these things, or you have to come somewhere in the fuck. So, no worry yourself. But that time, yeah, he's all about himself. The man said, me come, she complete head. You know what that means, sir? She a boom off the cock in the front seat, she jump off flight, yo, beers me a come. Real freak. Mouth all over your face, them kind of thing there. Me come, she complete, head up feet. Count G's, bun weed, Humvees don't come cheap. Step up in the club, enough pounds reach. And he's either talking about sterling pounds because the British dollars or British money is called pounds, or he's talking about marijuana, ganja, enough pounds reach, or both. As always, Stylo Gino takes the last verse. Stylo say, Dutch touch round at the hot spot. Have a million at the rucksack. Tell Biggie say me lock that. Tell Biggie say fi lock that. But him busy on him WhatsApp. See a girl want link for the fat cock. Me say dog just match that. Hey, man a shooter. Me never miss anytime girl want back shot. Put that money on the table. Make my friends them live dear too. Me a celebrate. Them a celebrate too. Tell them girl there fi stay too. So me no too swim, me no like beach. And me too black, me no like bleach. Phone no stop ring when the night reach. Even your girl want try peace. I just saw it do it. I just saw it do it. What more can I say to this song, man? Stylo G in top form. I've been listening to Stylo G since, let me see. Stylo used to do, actually, I don't know if you know about grime. That's one thing I loved about London. They have different styles of music. So you have grime, jungle, ragga jungle. That's probably like older. I still listen to it. Ragga jungle, grime, and then now you have drill or London drill. And I've been listening to Stylo for a long time now. If you don't know, Stylo G is a youth from Kingston, Jamaica. And he went to the UK and made it big. He's a big deal in the UK, right? But a lot of people over this side of the globe still don't know who Stylo is. This, I think, is his official in the game crossover. Right here, so. And who better to have on it? Man, he went to the moon for this one. Like how Cartel said, just touched down part like NASA. He went to the moon for this one. The alien just touched down. Just touched down like NASA, space. And Nicki Minaj on the same song. People been waiting for this. And it came in fine form. That's Pen and Paper, people at Soulflow TV. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Leave your comment in the comment section below. Let me hear what you think about this one. I am out. Don't forget. Peace.